I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking the service scope and immediate assets so you can publish today. Open your Fiverr seller dashboard, choose the correct category and subcategory, and select a concise gig title. Once done, upload 3 portfolio pieces and write a short 1-paragraph gig overview that answers who, what, and when. Make sure to set 3 price tiers with clear inclusions and delivery times. This simplifies buyer choices and reduces revision requests while increasing conversion. You now focus on discoverability and buyer trust. Fill every profile field, concise bio, work languages, and professional photo. Connect social proof where allowed. Then optimize the gig description for search with a primary keyword in the opening line, short bullet list of deliverables, and a clear call to action. Once finished, add a FAQ that handles scope, revisions, and files needed. Include a short proof video or image walkthrough to boost clicks and orders. You complete the process by handling orders precisely and building repeat business. When an order arrives, confirm requirements immediately, set expectations, and start work. Deliver on or before the deadline with labeled files and a brief summary of what you did and why. Once delivered, invite 1 revision if needed and suggest a follow-on gig. If you hit problems, slow response, or dispute, escalate via Fiverr Resolution Center. Provide timestamps and attachments, and stay professional to protect your rating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.